Please subscribe and ring the bell.
Today I'm going to show you how you can make a hair bow on your Cricut using faux leather sheets. The first thing I've done for you is attached a free design in Cricut Design Space. So all you need to do is click on the video and scroll down to the description and hit show more. And I have attached the link here in Design Space. So all you need to do is double click that link, click open, and then it will open here. If you want to change the size, then you can hit customize. And you can adjust the size, and I would recommend adjusting the size for all of them if you're going to make it bigger or smaller, but this is the size of the bow that I used in this tutorial. But adjust it how you would like. Then after you go to hit make it, all you need to do is just change your materials to thin faux leather. And then hit continue, and then you're ready to cut out your bow.
If you want my mom's video, give her a thumbs up.